Introduction to vector. The physical quantities which have magnitude along with direction are called vector quantities. For example, velocity, displacement, force, acceleration, etc. In the figure above, two vectors are represented. Both of them represent velocities. Magnitude of A vector is 2 meter per second and that of B vector is 5 meter per second. Note, vectors cannot be added as A vector plus B vector is equal to 2 meter per second plus 5 meter per second. There are special rules to add them. Equality of vectors. Two vectors are called equal if their magnitude as well as their direction are same. Thus, a parallel translation of a vector does not bring about any change in it. In the above figure, A vector is equal to B vector as their magnitude as well as their direction are same. Head and tail of vectors. In the figure above, a vector is represented which is facing towards B. So, A is called the tail of the vector and B is called the head of the vector. Addition of vector. There are two rules of vector addition. First, triangle law. If P vector and Q vector are two vectors to be added, a diagram is drawn in which the tail of Q vector coincides with the head of P vector. The vector joining the tail of P vector to the head of Q vector is the vector sum of P vector and Q vector. Parallelogram law. Triangle law may be stated in slightly different way. Two vectors P and Q with their tails coinciding are represented in the above diagram. Taking these two as the adjacent sides, we complete a parallelogram. The diagonal through the common tails give us the sum of these two vectors, that is OV plus OA is equal to OC. Formula for addition of vectors. In this figure, OC square is equal to OD square plus DC square, which is further equal to OA plus AD to the whole square plus DC square, which is equal to P plus Q cos theta to the whole square plus Q sin theta to the whole square, which is equal to P square plus 2PQ cos theta plus Q square. Thus, the magnitude of P vector plus Q vector is under root P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Its angle with P is alpha, where tan alpha is equal to CD by OD, which is equal to B sin theta divided by A plus B cos theta. Checkpoint. Problem. Two vectors have magnitude 3 units and 4 units and angle between them is 60 degree. Find the magnitude of the resultant and its direction with the smaller vector. Resultant force is equal to under root 3 square plus 4 square plus 2 into 3 into 4 cos 60, which is equal to under root 25 plus 24 into 1 by 2, which is equal to under root 37 units. Now, tan alpha is equal to B sin theta divided by A plus B cos theta. Tan alpha is equal to 2 root 3 by 5. Therefore, alpha is equal to tan inverse 2 root 3 by 5. Subtraction of vectors. Let A vector and B vector be two vectors. We define A vector minus B vector as the sum of the vector A and the vector minus B. To subtract B vector from A vector, invert the direction of B vector and add to A vector. In the figure above, we need to subtract A vector with B vector, so we make a vector minus B. Now, the vector joining tail of A vector to the head of vector minus B is the difference of these two vectors. Recap. The physical quantities which have magnitude along with direction are called vector quantities. Two vectors are equal when they are equal in magnitude and are in same direction. There are two laws for the addition of vectors, triangle law and parallelogram law. magnitude of p plus q is under root p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta. Two vectors can be subtracted by inverting the vector which needs to be subtracted.